In today's videos, I'll be testing different AI models and see which one gives me the best results. I will be testing ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini and Llama 3.2b. I will be giving these models a task to create a YouTube title, thumbnail idea and a description. And the best one I will use also for this video. So let's dive into it. The prompt I will be using will be the same for every model, and of course I asked ChatGPT to create a prompt for me just to have the same one for every model. Let's copy prompt and let's also get the transcript. I will be using this video, Power of Pursuit, focus on one goal for massive success. Thanks to this Chrome plugin I'm using, I can easily copy the transcript. I will just insert the transcript in here, and then I'll copy this entire prompt and I will feed them to ChatGPT. I will also do the same for Claude. I will be using their base models. I will also give that one to Llama that I installed via OpenUI, and I will also use Gemini. So now let's look at the results. As for the titles, starting with ChatGPT, master the power of focus, achieve massive success with one goal. I really like the title. It makes people want to click. It makes a promise. It also shows how you can reach that promise. So I'll give this an 8. Claude, the one thing holding you back from massive success. So they took a more negative approach. They also mentioned massive success, one thing to fix it. It's a bit too clickbaity for me, so I'll just give that a 7. Gemini, stop chasing everything, achieve anything, the one goal success formula. Don't really think I'm a fan of this one, so I'll have to score it a 6. So Llama 3, pursue one thing, achieve mass success, unlock your potential with a clear focus. It's okay, but I think it's very vanilla. It will probably not get a lot of clicks, so I also have to score this a 6. Going back now for the thumbnail. Okay, so domino effect, text, one goal, massive success in contrasting colors, and a split screen with a stressed person on one hand and a calm person on the other hand. Not sure if that is a good visual. Score this 6. Claude, thumbnail, split screen, one focus here. So this is more to my liking. I think again they go for a split screen. They bring the contrast between confusion and clarity, and they have a short text, large number 1 with focus here. So I think this could be a good idea. A person for the center image with a laser beam focused on a single target in the distance, split into 2 sections, cluttered, chaotic. Okay, no text here, so I think that's really bad. Just having the image is probably not good, so I'll give this a 5. Let's see what Llama 3 comes up with. Thumbnail, image description, a bold eye-catching thumbnail. Okay, I like actually this one. So that will be a person standing at a crossroads looking at 2 paths. Bright color scheme. Did they have a text? No text. That's not okay. There should be some text in the thumbnail. I'll give this also a 5. Last point will be the description. So this is the description in the original video. It makes a promise and it gives a summary of what you can expect in the video. So Llama 3 has the same build-up with some questions to the viewer, a summary of what to bring. They put in some call to action there. So I think this is actually a decent YouTube description. I'll give this 7. Going back to Gemini. Do you feel overwhelmed? You're not alone. What you'll learn in the video. Keywords, call to action. Okay. I think that's also decent. Let's see what. So I don't like the description, but I do like that key insights are shared. There is a link to a resource. They included already the timestamps. They mention resources that are used in the video. Multiple call of actions. They include tags and a template for connecting to different link to social media channels, and also a second call to action to have people engage with the comments. So while I don't like the intro itself in the description, I think the rest is a very good template that can be used in YouTube descriptions. So I'll give this also a 7. And heading back to ChatGPT. I like the description. They bring the highlights, call to action with definitely a call to go to the comments and to subscribe, and then finally some hashtags. So I think this is also a good one, so I'll give them a 7. So I think overall I have to think ChatGPT with the 4.0 model gave me the best quality. Claude actually was also decent, so I'll also give them an 8. Gemini for me was a bit underwhelming, so I'll give them 7. And then finally the Llama3 model was a bit too vanilla, so I'll also have to give them 7 overall, which brings us to the overall winner, being Claude. So for this video, I will use Claude to generate the title, the thumbnail idea, and the description, and I hope you guys liked it. So if you liked this video, let me know in the comments below what else you would like to see. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe. It helps me a lot to grow this channel and to bring you guys more interesting videos.